Warning, read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi, I'm Brad from Tregaskiss, Senior Engineer here, and today I'm going to talk to you about a few features that prevent any errors during installation or maintenance on the Atlas torch. First one is the gooseneck. The gooseneck has an alignment guide pin on the top or the 12 o'clock position, and then it has an alignment pin on the bottom or the 6 o'clock position. Correspondingly, on the connector housing, you have a small groove on the top or the 12 o'clock position to line up with the alignment pin guide, and then you have the actual alignment pin bushing hole that accepts the alignment pin. When you install the gooseneck onto the connector housing, if the alignment pin guide is not in the correct position, the gooseneck will not go into the torch. There's only one way that this torch will be able to go into the connector housing, and once it does, it simply slides into position. Another feature to prevent errors during installation for the cable is there is an actual green indicator on the front end of the cable. A common problem installing a cable is that you never know when it is fully seated. With a new Atlas torch, we give you a visual indication of when that torch cable is fully installed. As this goes into the connector housing, through the 3 inspection windows on the torch, you'll see this green appear, and inside the green you have a black center line, and that center line will need to correspond with the groove on the connector housing. And as you close the cam levers, the cable is pushed forward and that black line is lined up with the groove on the connector housing. Once your torch cable is fully installed, you will replace the connector housing. The connector housing will only go on one way. There is a tooth on the 12 o'clock position, and correspondingly on the connector housing is a groove for that tooth to go in, and you simply just push it on until you hear that audible click. There will be a QR code that you can scan at any point in time during installation or maintenance of the Atlas torch, and it will bring you to the owner's manual on our webpage. So these are some of the features to prevent any errors during installation or maintenance on the new Atlas torch.